Hello everyone, this is Dr. Carolyn Maria, working as an assistant professor in education, Loyola College of Education, Chennai. The title of the course is Sociology of Education, in which we are going to concentrate on role of family in socialization process. We are going to focus the meaning, categories of socialization, whether socialization is a boon or bane, agents of socialization. Family being the fundamental agent of socialization, we will be focusing on the meaning, definition, types, characteristics, role, factors, measures to overcome the factors affecting family socialization process. The objectives are the learner will be able to explain socialization, describe the meaning and characteristics of family, understand the role of family in the socialization process, enumerate the factors affecting family socialization process, suggest the measures to overcome the factors affecting family socialization process. The learning outcomes are, at the end, the learners will be able to understand the role of family in socialization, discuss the strategies to overcome factors affecting family socialization, realize the factors affecting family socialization. Let's go on to what is socialization. Socialization is a process by which an individual interacts with other individuals of the society to learn values, beliefs, skills, and ways of doing socially acceptable activities. The aim of socialization is to help an individual to get along with another individual in order to get the social identity and avoid isolation. Socialization occurs throughout the life of a person, but some of the most important socialization occurs during childhood. Socialization continues generation after generation to establish social identity. There are many definitions of socialization. To name a few, A. W. Green defined socialization is the process by which the child acquires a cultural content along with selfhood and personality. According to H. T. Majumdar, socialization is a process whereby original nature is transformed into human nature and the individual into person. H. M. Johnson defines socialization as learning that enables the learner to perform social roles. Socialization could be broadly classified into two categories as primary socialization, secondary socialization. Primary socialization satisfies the basic needs like food, cloth, shelter. For example, family and neighborhood are called primary socialization, where the language development, self-identity, and the development of skills happens. There are no strict norms in primary socialization, whereas in secondary socialization, it satisfies the secondary needs of life like safety, love, respect, etc. For example, school, religion, media, society are called secondary socialization, where they give proper social training following some norms. We'll now discuss whether socialization is a boon or a bane. In one way, socialization determines our behavior, but in other way, it conditions our mind. Socialization develops moral values, but in other hand, it develops even immoral behavior in human being. Socialization develops culture and it also develops cultural bias. Socialization strengthens the relationship. In contradictory, it even weakens the relationship. Socialization explores new ideas, but in contrast, it even brings inequality. There are various agents of socialization like family, school, peers, religion, work, media, government, and community. Among all, family is the fundamental unit of socialization. The meaning of family is a group of individuals living under one roof, united by marriage and usually under one head. There are so many definitions of family. To name a few, Froebel said, mothers are the ideal teachers and informal education given in home is the most effective and natural. Pestalozzi said, house is the center for love and affection. It is the best place and first school of the child. Ballard said, family is the original social institution from which all other institutions develop. Frank said, family is the only institution which is an essential agency for child learning, socialization, and for introducing the child to the new culture of the society, thereby shaping his basic character and structure of personality. There are three types of family, like single parent family, nuclear family, extended family. Let us now discuss the characteristics of family. Family being the fundamental unit of the human society, which consists of group of persons united by ties of marriage. The unity is the greatest quality in family which builds the relationship. Family is found all corners of the world, so it is an universal structure. It has limited size with regard to the number of members. It is called as a center for social organization, even it is otherwise called as miniature of the society. It has constructive influence on the child's personality. In family, the responsibility is shared by every member. It is even otherwise called as a cradle of social values. Family is the permanent institution where the basic relationship remains forever. Now let's discuss on the role of family in socialization. Family plays a major role in socialization of an individual by giving an opportunity for the individual to develop language, skill, religion, transmission of culture, individuality, innate tendency, moral character, interest and habit, and family provides the provision for practical and occasional education. Family could be called as the primary place for learning. In family, the development of sense of belongingness starts. Overall, in a nutshell, we can say that the role of family is, with regard to the socialization processes, all-round development of a personality. The qualities developed from family are humility, patience, honesty, loyalty, sincerity, punctuality, justice, faithfulness, self-confidence, tolerance, fear of God, caring, time management, hospitality, respect, adjustment, manners, forgiveness, politeness, obedience, courage, and problem solving. Let's now discuss about the factors which affect the family socialization process. The first and foremost factor is the education and status of the parent. It depends upon the parental education, whether the parent is an illiterate or an educated parent, whether the socio-economic status of the parent is high, average, or low, or whether the parent is below poverty line. The occupation of parent also determines the socialization process of the child, whether the parent is a government employed, private employed, self-employed, or unemployed, or whether both the parent are working or whether single parent is working, whether the child belongs to celebrities or refugees or a terrorist parent. The parenting style also determines the socialization process, whether the parent is autocratic, democratic, over pampering, or whether the parent is a single parent, separated parent, remarried parent, whether the child is a single child or many children at home. The health of the parent also plays a major role in the socialization process. Whether the parent is a sick parent, aged parent, or a disabled parent, or whether the child has transgender siblings, or whether the child is an adopted child. Some of the habits of parent also affect the socialization process of the child. For example, whether the parent is media, alcohol, or drug addicted, whether the parent has some illegal affairs, or whether the parent are quarreling all the time at home. The culture of parent also plays a major role in the socialization process with regard to the marriage, either intercaste marriage, interreligion, interlanguage, interstate, or internation marriage, because the rituals and customs differ people to people. Let's focus on the measures to overcome the factors affecting family socialization process. Let's focus on the 5 dimensions on which the family has to concentrate on. First of all, with regard to the physical development, family should provide nutritious and balanced diet. The family should provide proper medical care and physical activities as well as create ventilated home environment. With regard to the emotional development, family should address the required need of the child, provide emotional support, advocate emotional maturity, increase problem solving and decision making skills. With regard to the cognitive development, family is expected to provide proper memory techniques, brain activities, exposure to co-curricular activities, introducing more than one language at home. With regard to moral development, parents are expected to tell bedtime stories, as well as parents should first of all set a role model for their children with regard to moral development. With regard to the social development, parents should encourage healthy interaction and relationship with others by sharing and giving respect to all. The key takeaways of the course: family should provide conducive and peaceful environment for the children. Parents should understand the children by spending quality time with them. Parents should provide opportunities for the children for self-expression to participate in recreational and constructive activities. Develop a reading habit. As parent, we should start inculcating the reading habit to our children by giving them either newspaper or magazine or books and teach them proper reading habit. Provide right type of religious education in order to prevent them from unnecessary bias and prejudice with regard to religion. As parent, we are expected to enhance decision making and problem solving skills by giving them more and more exposure. These are the points for reflection. Just reflect on the reason for more importance of primary socialization than secondary socialization. Identify the psychological factors which affect the family socialization process. Suggest any 5 core responsibilities of family in the socialization process. An educationist once observed, a wise father is more than 100 schoolmasters. The mother's face is the child's first lesson and a book. Home makes a man. So, I could conclude saying that family plays a major role in the socialization process of every individual. I have given you some books for your further reading in order to enrich your knowledge with regard to family, the role of family in the socialization process. Thank you for listening.